So in this real numbers chapter, logarithms exercise 1.5, last four sums 5, 6, 7, 8, they are very important. So fifth problem is, if x square plus y square is equal to 25xy, now we have to show that 2 log x plus y is equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. So let us take the given condition. Given that x square plus y square is equal to 25xy. If you want to make LHS as a perfect square, so either 2xy should be added or 2xy should be subtracted. So let us add 2xy on both sides. So adding 2xy on both sides. So it is x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 25xy plus 2xy. A square plus b square plus 2ab, it is a plus b whole square. 25xy plus 2xy is 27xy. So using the given condition, after adding 2xy on both sides, we got x plus y whole square is equal to 27xy. Now apply logarithm on both sides. So apply logarithm on both sides. So left hand side LHS is log x plus y whole square is equal to, right side we get log 27xy. Log a to the power m, if the number has power it comes as a coefficient, so it will become 2 log x plus y. This is log ABC formula. Log ABC formula is log a plus log b plus log c. So it is 2 log x plus y is equal to 27, we have to write it as 3 cube. The remaining you write as it is log x plus log y. Now 2 log x plus y is equal to, this 3 comes here, it will become 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. So take the given condition, add 2xy on both sides. Left hand side will become a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is a plus b whole square. So x plus y whole square is equal to 27xy. Apply logarithm on both sides. Log a to the power n is n into log a, so 2 into log x plus y. This is log ABC formula, log a plus log b plus log c. In next step 27 you write it as 3 cube, so 3 comes here, you will get the required answer. Right, question number 6. If log x plus y by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into log x plus log y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x. So first take the condition given, that is log x plus y by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into log x plus log y. Here left side only single logarithm is there, right side this is the expanded form log x plus log y is there. So right side also let us make single logarithm. So log x plus y by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. Log a plus log b is log a into b, so log xy. In logarithms coefficient comes as the power, so it will become log x plus y by 3 is equal to this 1 by 2 goes there, it is log xy to the power 1 by 2. Now both sides only single logarithm is there, we can remove logarithm. So removing the logarithm is nothing but applying anti-logarithm on both sides. We cannot cancel this, we have to write taking anti-log on both sides. That means we are removing the logarithm. So taking anti-log on both sides. So now you can remove logarithm on both sides. So left side it will become x plus y by 3. Right side xy to the power 1 by 2. So x plus y is equal to this 3 comes here. Xy to the power 1 by 2 is nothing but it is root xy. Power 1 by 2 is root xy. Now squaring on both sides. X plus y whole square is equal to 3 into root xy whole square. Now left side if you expand x plus y whole square is x square plus y square plus 2xy. 3 if you square it is 9. Root xy whole square means it is xy. Send 2xy that side. X square plus y square is equal to 9xy minus 2xy. So x square plus y square is equal to 7xy. Send this xy this side, it will become x square plus y square by xy is 7. Now write this by xy separately for both two terms. So first one is x square by xy, second one is y square by xy is 7. Here one x will get cancelled, here one y will get cancelled, it will become x by y, here it will become y by x, answer is 7. So first you take the given condition log x plus y by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into log x plus log y. This is log a plus b is log a into b. Now 1 by 2 is the coefficient, it becomes exponent, that is xy to the power 1 by 2. Now both sides single logarithm is there, you can cancel, you can remove the logarithm on both sides, that is taking anti-log on both sides. So here we will get x plus y by 3. Here we will get xy to the power 1 by 2. Cross multiply 3 comes here. Now squaring on both sides, x plus y whole square is equal to 3 root xy whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. 3 square is 9, root xy whole square is xy. Send 2xy that will become 7xy. Now x square plus y square, this xy comes here. If you write separately, you will get the result, that is x by y plus y by x, answer is 7. Right, 7th problem. If 2.3 whole to the power x is equal to 0.23 whole to the power y is equal to 1000. Then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Here 2.3 whole to the power x and 0.23 whole to the power y both are equal to 1000 given. So let us take that separately. That is 2.3 whole to the power x, this is given as 1000, and 0.23 whole to the power y, this is also given as 1000. So let us equate separately. 2.3 whole to the power x is 1000, 0.23 whole to the power y is also 1000. Now 2.3 whole to the power x, 1000 means it is 10 cube. Here also 0.23 whole to the power y, 1000 you write it as 10 cube. Now apply logarithm on both sides. For both you apply logarithm on both sides. So it is log 2.3 whole to the power x is equal to log 10 cube. Here log 0.23 whole to the power y is equal to log 10 cube. In logarithms, if a number has power, it comes as the coefficient. So it is x log 2.3 is equal to 3 comes here. It is 3 log 10. Here y comes here. Y log 0.23 is equal to 3 comes here. 3 log 10. So it is x log 2.3 is equal to 3 into log 10 is 1. Here y log 0.23 is equal to 3 into log 10 is 1. Send x this side. So we will get log 2.3 is equal to 3 by x. Here send y that side. Log 0.23 is equal to 3 by y. So after getting 3 by x and 3 by y values, let us subtract them. 3 by x minus 3 by y, let us find out. 3 by x we got log 2.3 minus 3 by y we got log 0.23. Now 3 by x minus 3 by y, you can take 3 common. It will become 1 by x minus 1 by y. This is log a minus log b. Log a minus log b is log a by b. So it is log 2.3 by 0.23. 3 into 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to log 2.3 means it is 23 by 10. 0.23 means 23 by 100. This 23 you can cancel. 1 0 also will get cancelled. This 10 comes up. It will become 3 into 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to logarithm of 10 goes up log 10. Log 10 value is 1. So 3 into 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1. 3 you take that side. So 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3 answer. So first you have to equate these two separately to 1000. First 2.3 whole to the power x is 1000. 0.23 whole to the power y is also 1000. 1000 you write it as 10 cube. Now apply logarithm on both sides. Log 2.3 whole to the power x is equal to log 10 cube. This exponent will come as a coefficient in logarithm. So it is x log 2.3 is equal to 3 log 10. Here y log 0.23 is equal to 3 log 10. Log 10 value is 1. So substitute in both cases. Then you will get, after sending x that side, you will get 3 by x is equal to log 2.3. Here 3 by y is equal to log 0.23. Now 3 by x minus 3 by y you should find out. Log 2.3 minus log 0.23. Log a minus log b is log a by b. That is 23 by 10. This is 23 by 100. 23 can cancel. You will get log 10, which is 1. After sending 3 that side, you will get 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3. Right, question number 8. If 2 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power 1 minus x, then find the value of x. Take the given condition 2 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power 1 minus x. Now apply logarithm on both sides. So logarithm of 2 to the power x plus 1 is equal to logarithm of 3 to the power 1 minus x. Log a to the power m is, it comes here, it will become x plus 1 log 2. Here it comes as the coefficient 1 minus x log 3. Now multiply by log 2 here you multiply by log 3. Log 2 into x, it is x log 2 plus log 2 into 1 is log 2 is equal to log 3 into 1 log 3 minus x into log 3 x log 3. Now to find out x value, take all x terms one side, numbers on the other side. So here x log 2 is there, that minus x log 3 will become plus x log 3 is equal to log 3 minus this log 2. Without x it is sent outside. Here you take x common, so it will become log 2 plus log 3 is equal to log 3 minus log 2. To find out x value, send that side, x is equal to, we get the answer log 3 minus log 2 by log 2 plus log 3. This is x value. So first you take the given condition, apply logarithm on both sides, then it will become log a to the power n comes here, x plus 1 log 2, 1 minus x log 3. Multiply here. After multiplying, what you have to do is you send all x terms one side without x terms on the other side. So here x log 2 plus x log 3 is equal to log 3 minus log 2. Here you take x common and make x as the subject, then this comes in the denominator. Answer is log 3 minus log 2 by log 2 plus log 3, that is x value.
19.